Grupo Tibanaré was founded as a theater collective in 2006 whose main element is the work of the actor and his relationship with the viewer. In these 3 years of history comes the construction of a viable road to Brazil and abroad, but without losing their encounters in the interior of the state of Mato Grosso, Brazil, especially in the neighborhoods of the city of Cuiabá. The group always inserts in their works the life experience, the relationship with the community, and the experience with the popular manifestation, which are used in daily training for technical and organic improvement. Thus, to define a personal identity in the work, the trace paths also in the investigation of the clown, actor-dancer, actor playing, and fantastic realism.
Essa é a quarta vez que eu assisto Fiu Fiu e é super incrível, sempre uma experiência nova.
Um cenário musical rigorosamente compatível com a intenção lírica da peça, com a intenção, né, de recolocar nesse tempo de pós-verdade, né, ou seja, a arte rompendo a mentira, né, da gente colocar o amor como essencial na perspectiva nossa. Então, nossa cultura tem esse pressuposto, né, apontando o caminho da retomada da amorosidade. Isso é essencial.
Fiu Fiu, A Meeting Between Birds, is a show for children that speaks in a simple and unpretentious way the adventures of love. Like a light flap of wings, the body, movement and music sharpen the imagination and arouse genuine emotions in small and large spectators. The bird actors bring to the scene the old-fashioned processions and courtship, showing that love is possible and that, even in liquid times, that life is much more delicious when lived together. Fiu Fiu is inspired by the daily life of birds. In a non-linear narrative, the work of childhood approaches the love from the perspective of encounters and mismatches, and overcoming frustrations. The characters Passarinhar and Passarinhou connect with the audience in a universal language. Through their own body language and precise movements, Fiu Fiu is inspired by a popular dance of the culture of the city of Cuiabá, known regionally as Lambadão. Fiu Fiu has no scenario, giving focus to the connection between actors and audience. The costumes and scenic props were created so as not to limit the movements, so that the dialogue with the body of the characters is evidenced with lightness and fluidity. The masks were inspired on the popular festival of the Brazilian Pantanal region. The luggage of the show is compact, a suitcase and a PVC pipe for all scenic objects.
A gente vem assistir Fiu Fiu, Fiu Fiu, Fiu Fiu, Fiu Fiu.
Vou ficar com vocês e com vocês, Fiu Fiu, o encontro entre pássaros.
Lighting is dynamic and important for the show, but the show does not restrict the experimentation of spaces and equipment, because it was created to dealing with different logistics and structures realities. For the show, the group needs side I/O for the actors on the scene. The show uses helium gas to fill 17 to 20 hot balloons. Therefore, the entire structure of the show can be adopted, as long as there is a prior notice about the measures and equipment will be available. The show premiered in 2013, passing major circuits, festivals, and cultural gatherings. It also participated in projects of great national relevance, for example, the Theater Movement project of Petrobras, Circuit Fun in Cine, ArcelorMittal, among others. In international trajectory, the group went through Cape Verde in the Mandela International Theater Festival, Mandelact. It was in Turkey during the 14th Eskişehir International Theater Festival for Children and Youth. He also visited Angola at Luanda International Theater Circuit. Check out a brief description of the festivals and gatherings it participated in Brazil and abroad. Grupo Tibanaré gives importance to imagination and fantasy. Thus, the richer the human experience, the greater the material made available to creation. The study is essentially focused on the search for the playful in several spaces. In addition to being responsible for a research center aimed at training new professionals.
E que venha mais que o Fiu Encontro Entre Pássaros. E até a próxima. Um beijo no coração de vocês. Valeu. Tchau, tchau.